In United States versus Riverside Bayview Homes, the United States Supreme Court tackled an always controversial topic: the scope of the Corps of Engineers' regulatory powers under Section 404 of the Clean Water Act. The Clean Water Act of 1972 prohibits any discharge of dredged or fill materials into navigable waters, defined as the waters of the United States, unless the Army Corps of Engineers grants a permit. In 1975, the Corps issued regulations construing the Act to cover all freshwater wetlands adjacent to other waters covered by the Act. Freshwater wetlands were defined as areas that were inundated by surface or groundwater frequently enough to support vegetation adapted for life in saturated soil, such as swamps, marshes, and bogs. Riverside Bayview Homes owned 80 acres of marshy land near Lake St. Clair in Michigan. In 1976, it started preparing to build a housing development there and began filling the marshy land so it could build on it. The Corps of Engineers decided that the property was an adjacent wetland under the Clean Water Act, and that Riverside accordingly had to get its permission to fill the property. It sued Riverside in federal district court. The district court held that Riverside's low-lying property was a wetland covered by the Act and enjoined Riverside from filling it without a permit. The Sixth Circuit reversed. It held that the category of adjacent wetlands didn't include wetlands that weren't subject to frequent enough flooding to support the growth of aquatic vegetation. It thought a narrow construction of the Corps' regulation was necessary to prevent the taking of private property without just compensation in violation of the Fifth Amendment. Under the court's reading of the regulation, Riverside's property wasn't within the Corps' jurisdiction, so Riverside was free to fill the property without first getting a permit from the Corps. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.